If every step feels like a knife twisting inside your knee, this next heartbeat could change your future. I'm Dr. Alex Tam. 20 years ago, I watched my mom suffer unbearable nerve pain that doctors said would only end with surgery. But when we found a chiropractor who looked beyond the obvious, her pain dropped by 50% in 8 weeks, and it transformed both of our lives. Since then, I've dedicated my career to helping people reclaim life from chronic pain without surgery or endless pills. Give me a few minutes and I'll show you why bone on bone isn't the hopeless verdict you've been handed. I'll share 3 strategies getting our patients back to walking and reveal one easy habit you can start tonight to calm the constant ache. Stay with me because the knee you're limping on right now still has a story of strength left to tell. Before you trust anyone with your hope, you deserve a crystal clear map of what's really happening inside your knee. Just like my mom's breakthrough came from looking deeper than symptoms, we begin by pinpointing the true landscape of your damage. Weight-bearing x-rays show how your knee bones meet under real pressure, catching joint spaces lost that flat table x-rays often miss. Nerve testing maps out which nerves are inflamed and driving your pain. Once we understand your unique terrain, we start decompressing that knee joint. Our specialized knee traction therapy relieves pressure, gives cartilage room to breathe, and draws fresh synovial fluid into worn areas. Then we layer regenerative strategies you can actually access in our office.